Good morning and a very warm welcome. You're watching Times Now. I'm Pratibha. Thank you for joining us this morning after the fiery face-off in the Lok Sabha last week. Today, the Rajya Sabha will start its two-day debate on the Constitution. The discussion will be initiated at 11 a.m. by Union Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, while the BJP is fielding senior ministers JP Nadda, who is also the leader of the House, Bhupendra Yadav and Hardeep Puri, among others. Sources say the leader of opposition, Mallikarjun Kharge, will be opening the debate for the opposition. The debate comes against the backdrop of growing unease between the chairman, Jagdeep Dhankar, as well as the opposition. Remember, the opposition also sought his removal, accusing him of partisanship. With the Lok Sabha managing to conclude the debate without major disruptions, one must wait and see how it will be in the upper house, given the friction over the issue of no trust motion proposal. Even on Friday, Dhankar and Mallikarjun Kharge were engaged in a war of words.
किसान का बेटा हूं, कमजोरी नहीं दिखाऊंगा, देश के लिए मर जाऊंगा, मिट जाऊंगा। आप लोग चिंतन नहीं करेंगे। 24 घंटे एक ही काम है कि किसान का बेटा यहाँ क्यों बैठा है। मैं आंखों से देख रहा हूं, मैंने बहुत बर्दाश्त किया है। आप प्रस्ताव लाए, आपका अधिकार है, प्रस्ताव पर चर्चा हो, आपका अधिकार है, पर आपने क्या किया? संविधान की धज्जियां उड़ा दी।
आप बार बार वो लोग बोल रहे हैं, एक किसान का बेटे का इंसल्ट कर रहे हैं। मैं उनको कहता हूं, अरे मैं तो किसान मजदूर का बेटा हूं।
आप सब कौन कर रहे हैं?
और आप उधर साइड में सबको बोलने दे रहे हैं, सबके लिए एनकरेज कर रहे हैं और हमारे पार्टी के नेताओं का इंसल्ट कर रहे हैं, कांग्रेस पार्टी को इंसल्ट कर रहे हैं। कहूँगा आप पर्पजली उनको एनकरेज कर रहे हैं। मैं तो बताओ, उनको बताओ, मेरी बात बोलता हूँ। क्यों? आपके तारीफ सुनने के लिए हम नहीं आए साहब, आपकी तारीफ सुनने के लिए नहीं आए। हम देश के मुद्दे कुछ चर्चा, देश के मुद्दों पे चर्चा करने के लिए।
So even if the tone and tenor a day before the debate is anything to go by, it's not going to be a smooth sailing in the House of Elders, it looks like. Listen in to what the senior Congress leader Jairam Ramesh said.
रोज संविधान का उल्लंघन हो रहा है, संवैधानिक मूल्यों का उल्लंघन हो रहा है, संवैधानिक प्रावधानों का उल्लंघन हो रहा है। तो प्रधानमंत्री को भूल जाइए, पंडित नेहरू को भूल जाइए, इंदिरा गांधी जी को, उन्होंने क्या किया, उन्होंने नहीं क्या किया। आप क्या कर रहे हैं वो उसको तो बताइए, जानकारी दीजिए, सभी पार्टियों को विश्वास में लीजिए। कितने सर्वदलीय बैठक आपने बुलाए, मुझे बताइए, प्रधानमंत्री बताएं, कितने सर्वदलीय बैठक प्रधानमंत्री ने बुलाया है, कितने बार विपक्ष के नेताओं से उन्होंने बातचीत की है।
My colleagues Sabyasachi as well as Mohit Bhatta joining us on the broadcast with the details. Sabyasachi, what's expected today? Because in the Rajya Sabha, it's expected to be a much more acrimonious than what we saw in the Lok Sabha. In the Rajya Sabha, remember, the opposition had also brought in a no-trust vote against Dhankar. How is that going to play out? What are the details of the opposition strategy?
Well, Pratibha, see, there is no doubt there is unease between Rajya Sabha Chairman Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar and the opposition MPs. See, the opposition MPs have levelled several allegations against the Rajya Sabha Chairman. The opposition MPs stated that the Rajya Sabha Chairman have been biased towards the opposition MPs and more opportunity have been given to the MPs from the BJP side and the centre side to speak in the House, and no time has been given to the opposition member of Parliament to put out their words. In fact, Mallikarjun Kharge went on to say that Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar is the main disturber in the House, and whenever Mallikarjun Kharge wanted to speak, either his mic is being turned off or muted. So these allegations are being levelled against Chairman Mr. Jagdeep Dhankar, and definitely there is unease between the chairman and the opposition, and it's going to play out today as well when the Rajya Sabha is going to see the constitution debate for the next 2 days. Meanwhile, the opposition MP stated that it is the BJP member of parliament who have been creating disruption in the house, and they want that the constitution discussion and debate should take place in the Rajya Sabha, but it is up to the BJP MPs to make sure that they allow the discussion in a good note, like we saw in Lok Sabha. So clearly the war of words is going to escalate between the centre and the opposition amid the unease that is going in Rajya Sabha. Whereas several of the India Alliance MPs already have said that they would be speaking on these pressing issues, whether it is Mr. Kapil Sibal, who is the independent MP in Rajya Sabha, or the member of parliament from the Trinamool Congress. Already they have stated that around 10 to 11 MPs from the Trinamool Congress would be speaking in Rajya Sabha, and they would be highlighting how the BJP has been not upholding the values of the constitution.
Okay, all right, because